This lesson was designed to provide training for maintenance technicians, mechanics, electricians, and others requiring knowledge of mechanical print reading. Basic knowledge of assembly and detailed drawings and lines is recommended. Welcome to the pretest. A pretest serves as a benchmark establishing how much you know about the subject before you take the course. Don't be surprised or upset if you cannot answer these questions. There will be a final test at the end of the course. This test contains 10 questions. You can only take this test once. What does this symbol indicate? Select the correct answer. Correct. Click Next to continue. How would you determine which lines in the drawing are dimension lines? Select the correct answer. Incorrect. Click Next to continue.
Whether a drawing is used by designers, machinists, or inspectors, dimensions are an essential part. Dimensions are numerical measurements which give the exact size and location of objects on a drawing. Dimension lines are thin lines terminated with arrowheads. They show where a measurement begins and where it ends. The dimension is placed in a break in the middle of the dimension line or parallel to the line. Extension lines are thin, solid lines that represent the extension of an object line, but do not touch the object. They allow the dimension line to be shown outside the object. Extension lines appear in pairs, one at each end of the dimension line and at right angles to it.
Select where the dimension should be placed on this drawing.
Sometimes putting all the details on a drawing may make it confusing or hard to understand. However, when dimensions are added to a drawing, there should be enough information supplied to find the size of any feature. This does not mean that every single feature is given a dimension. It means that from the dimensions provided, you are able to calculate any missing dimensions. Look at this object, for example.